Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 24. Holiday.
Where did you go for holiday?
Last year I went to Singapore, a Southeast Asian country.
Why did you choose that destination?
I love to travel to Asian countries and Singapore was my best choice because of its beauty and culture.
How long did it last?
I stayed there for 2 weeks.
Who went with you?
I traveled to Singapore with my best friends.
How did you travel?
We flew there, of course. During the time there, we moved mostly by MRT and taxi.
What did you pack up?
I only brought some necessary items such as money, clothes, medicine, a map and a digital camera.
What did you do during the holiday?
We visited famous tourist attractions like Marina Bay Sands, Merlion Park, Art Science Museum, Singapore Flyers. We also enjoyed local cuisine there.
What's the difference between holidays today and 20 years ago?
Well, it has changed a lot. People now can afford holidays outside their countries, while 20 years ago, traveling abroad seemed hard.
At what time do people in your country usually go on holiday?
It depends on what job people have. When they have a break from work, they will find somewhere to travel.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.